Hey there, I'm here answering a question that Madison had on that page 308 workbook. So if you had the same question, hopefully I can get this answered for you. Um, if you have any questions, all you need to do is send me a message. That's exactly what Madison did, and I'm going to upload this, and hopefully it'll answer it. Y'all can ask each other questions, things like that, okay? So she had a question about number or letter C on page 308, and it says describe the shape of the graph. So what you should have done is first is plot all the dots for the text messages, and that would mean that there's one at 0, that's our lower extreme, and then the upper extreme would be 100. There's 2 dots on 100 if you did it correctly. So that's, when it's saying the shape, it's basically just asking you to describe it. So where is it skewed? Is it skewed to the left or is it skewed to the right? We kind of went over that the last week we had in school. What are the outliers? The outliers are the ones that are way this way or way this way. And in this case, this would be 90 and 100 are the outliers because most of the text messages are 0 to 20 or 30. So the outliers would be 90 and 100. You could say explain what's the number of text messages that were the most. So in that case it would be 10 text messages. Most students send 10 text messages a day. So for C, it's basically just saying describe what's the lowest amount, what's the highest amount, what's the outliers, what are the peaks, where did most of the students fall on this dot plot. So that's C. Hopefully that answers some questions. Now let's move on to D. It says count the number of dots at 0 and at 10. What do these numbers mean? So basically that's just you're coming up with a sentence to describe that. So it basically means that, let's look at 0 and 10. 0 has 1, 10 should have 4. So that's 5 total people, 5 total teenagers. And they sent less than 20 text messages because it's at 0 and 10, and the next one would be 20, but 20 is too far. So you would say for this answer, 5 teenagers send less than 20 text messages per day. Okay? If you have any more questions, just ask.